Hi guys, today is the 1st of May, International Non-Working Day in the communist countries or ex-Yugoslavia, and today we're going to go for a short ride up to Takovo, which is the birthplace of the second uprising, Serbian uprising against the Turks. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be 26 degrees, so I'm going to record just a bit in town and then stop recording because it's going to be boring. I'm going to go on the highway, and once we get to Takovo, I'm going to start recording again because it's beautiful. The countryside is beautiful, and there will be very many winding roads. So here she is, the Black Dahlia, and I'm ready to go. Check you later. Bye. Alright. So as I said, we're going to Takovo. I'll film a bit in town, and then I'll stop filming once we get to that to the highway. It's boring. Okay. So let's go this way. We're filming through town. Okay. Beautiful. I'm gonna put my visor down. Perfect. And slowly head downtown. I think now that the sound and the video are going to be connected, it'll be a nice video clip. Okay, I have my earplugs in, so I might be talking a bit louder, so that's the only change. Alright, this morning I'm accompanied by the music from Jungle. It's a British group that's really funky and full of rhythm. I like them. Appropriate for a day like this. Nice day, sunny, full of rhythm and excitement. Okay, let's go. Now you'll see the city is going to be half empty because usually people in Belgrade and Serbia in general leave town for May 1st, and some of them actually even go for a long extended weekend or days off, so they won't be working until next Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to put my sunshade, well, I'm not going to put my sunshade down, there's no need. I can still see nicely. No need for shading the sun. It's not directly in my eyes, so now I can go this way. So here you'll see the monument to Nikola Tesla, genius and a Serbian, born in Croatia, but he's Serbian. So this is his statue here. See, right there. And I'm going to go on purpose to Kneza Miloša, which is a very long street, nice boulevard that goes from Midtown, where the National Assembly is, down to where I'm supposed to go. It's a very nice building and a home of many positive and negative things in the history of Yugoslavia and following that Serbia. So that's basically it for now. As I said, this is Hotel Metropole, which is a very well-known fancy inn hotel. Even my late dad used to go there for drinks with his friends, having a coffee and talking business. But now that he's not here, actually, unmute audio. Music on. Well, again, my music has been acting up, so it's okay. I'm gonna put it back again, so don't worry. I shall fix it. But for now, the music's off, so I don't know. I better, what's it called? Watch my language, because apparently the system is pretty sensitive to voice commands. It's okay. Don't mind that much because I'm interested more in actual the audio from the camera. Music on. Figure this out. This music system sucks. Sucks ass, man. Look at this fucking charade. This is a charade. Okay? It's pathetic. Pathetic. It cannot be more pathetic than this. Well, this is the street of Kneza Miloša, as I explained to you, in the big boulevard. And the sad thing is these people that are gathered here are actually paid by our president, whatever his name is, whatever his function is, who knows, who cares. Aleksandar Vučić to represent some bullshit. As you know, my country is in political stalemate and upheaval. It's not pleasant, so we'll see. We'll see how it turns out to be and what turns out to be correct. You know? Now, let's see. Why is my music on? Music on. Well, I don't know. When I get to the gas station, I'll figure this out. What I'll do ultimately is I'm going to switch off the comm unit, switch it on again, so that should hopefully trigger it back on with the music. I'll do it on the street light. Why not? Yeah, I gotta tell you, this mesh outfit is working fine for now. It's becoming warmer and warmer. Not feeling good. Because first of all, jacket's mesh, my pants are mesh. Hey, Canadian Embassy. Hello, Canada. Hello. Bonjour with the new Prime Minister. Yep. So, as I said to you, this is Kneza Miloša Street. It's Canadian Embassy right there. And the German Embassy and the Italian Embassies, they're all residences are here. Nice and fancy, as you can see. And the streets are pretty vacant. This is nothing. This amount of cars for Belgrade is subpar. Belgrade, subpar. Okay. Let's see how this works. Oh, I know I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stop by Takovo, which is another nice place. It's an artificial lake built, I don't know, in the 70s, late 60s, and it's called the Belgrade Sea. because some people cannot afford to go to the seaside. You go there. It's actually quite nice, mind you. I haven't swam in that place for close to 40 years. I used to live there. I grew up in that neighborhood. I don't know what it's called. It's a hill, and it's close to our house, our place was close to Tsigani, which is the lake we're gonna go pass by. So yeah, and as you see, people don't know how to bloody drive. Barely give out signals, which is idiotic. But hey, there you go. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Goodbye. There you go. So this is now, we're going to pass by the Belgrade Fair, which apparently is going to be relocated, which is pure nonsense, because it's in a perfect spot. But again, as I mentioned to you, politics and corruption is very, very present in Serbia. So they've decided they want to launder some money and doing these ridiculous projects that ourselves, the civilians, are paying for. The government's getting us into loans more and more. So we're screwed. Well, not just my generation, I think. The next 2 generations will be screwed, because they don't have to repay the loans. They're undeserved. We didn't need that, honestly. We didn't need those loans at all. We needed money, yes, but not these projects. We don't need the National Stadium, we don't need the Expo, because we have the show. Serbia basically has an industry that belongs to us. It's all sold out to foreign investors, usually China and the Middle East, which is very sad for our country. You're selling out your resources and your land. You're selling out soul, basically. Idiotic, but hey, who am I to say? I'm not a politician, I'm not in power. See, this is the fair, and they want to relocate all this out of town. Mind you, this big elliptical or round-shaped dome or dome-shaped building supposedly is under the protection of the government, but that's a question too, because they just sold what used to be the headquarters of the army to freaking Donald Trump's son-in-law. Idiots. So not have they just bombed Serbia, not in Yugoslavia, 99, destroyed it, depleted uranium bombs and rockets. Now they bought, or they're given basically as a present, building, and they're going to make money on us by reconstructing it and charging money, plus employing people from Serbia that will die probably from cancer and stuff, because the building still contains uranium and is radioactive. So really sad story, honestly, really sad. We've been abused by our old people, politicians. I mean, they're stuffing their pockets, with loads of money, like enormous amounts of money, while regular folk, some of them not even having money to eat. So go figure. Now this is the lake I told you about. It's like a small peninsula, semi-peninsula, and it's really nice to walk around, bicycle around. A couple of nice restaurants. There is content there to have fun for kids, for adults, like skiing, boarding and stuff, which is fine. So let's see. I'm gonna turn off the headset and turn it on again. So this is that lake I've been telling you about, and you'll see a lot of people actually enjoying it. So yeah, I'll put more expensive gas, because apparently these gas stations I'm going to have a discount to the month of May, which I'll use now. Why not? Let's see if the bike behaves any different, because I know that once I go to the European Union, whether it's Croatia, Slovenia, Italy, or whatever, Greece, quality of gas is better and it's cheaper. Man, this place is full of paradoxes and twisted information. Very, very contradicting. Yep. So we'll see how things work. You know what? I'm gonna end the shot with this. Alla cigania, have fun, ciao for now. Hi guys, so now I'm in Takovo. You'll see now I'm gonna stop at this church school. That was the place where the second Serbian uprising started against the Ottoman or Turkish Empire. We were about 500 years under their rule, so it was really tough. I'll put in the description more about the history of it, because it's really long and very in-depth. I don't want to bore you with it now. Just to join the scenery, and afterwards we're going to go to Rudnik, which is another nice place. It's actually a meeting spot for local motorcyclists from Belgrade and the area. Very nice turns and twisties, you'll see it. Okay, then let's go and check out this monument. Just hope it's open, because I haven't called in. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, so let's see. Yep. Okie dokie. There we are. Here I am. So perfect. We're gonna turn the bike off like this. Okay, good. So, as I was saying, this is the place. There's a museum as well. There's it. It's a nice dog, you see. So, I'm gonna get my helmet off, but I don't think it's a good idea. Gdje si lepota? Dođi, pa dođi. Zdravo. Pa gdje si ti? Ćao. Zdravo. Pa kako si? Ćao. Zdravo. Došao sam da pričam malo sad sam ljudima ovdje. So I'm just petting this dog. I think he's full of fleas and stuff, so let's see. Go for a walk. So this is it. I'll show you. So here it says, I don't think it's not. Nothing in English. Basically, it just talks about the struggles we had. Miloš Obrenović was one of the heads of the second uprising of Serbians against the Ottoman Empire. So I'll show you around a little bit. Okay. So this is basically it. This is a school there. There's a school. Now this is the monument. Up there is the church. So we had a couple of weeks ago, me and my friends from the motorcycle club, we came here, organized visit. So it was very nice, and we had a meal afterwards. So here it says the museum of the second Serbian uprising in Takovo. Takovo is this city where it was started. And here's the placard talking about, let's see. I'm going to read it in Serbian first. Ovo je zgrada zadužbine njegovog veličanstva kralja Aleksandra I. Obrenovića. Gradnja je završena 20. jula 1891. godine za potrebu osnovne škole u Takovu. Odlukom Savezne opštine Gornji Milanovac zgrada je adaptirana radi osnovanja muzeja drugog srpskog ustanka i predala na korišćenje 23. aprila 1994. godine. So, what it basically says is, this is the legacy of His Royal Highness King Alexander I Obrenović. The building, well, it was finished on 28th of July 1891 for the usage as a primary school in Takovo. By the decision of the, not government, the local authorities of Gornji Milanovac, which is the biggest city close to here, this building is or was adapted to the funding of the Museum of the Second Serbian Uprising, and it was given for usage, or basically open for usage, on the 23rd of April 1994. So from then, this is a museum. Okay, that concludes my short story about this. Now we're gonna go towards Rudnik and the twisty roads that are there. From here, it's gonna be a nice, very nice highway, nice road. That's why I want to see it. Okay, so I'm gonna jump on the bike now, and we'll continue the trip. So I'll talk to you later. Actually, well, we'll see it. Enjoy the roads, and then look at the nature there. Look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna stop recording once we get to this local highway because it's boring, and then afterwards on those twisties on Rudnik, I'm gonna continue. Okay. Ciao for now. Okay, alright, I made it to this place called Spot 555, or in Serbian Kota 555, which is the local hangout of us motorcyclists from Belgrade. And see how many people are here? Look, cool, isn't it? It's a beautiful day. And I don't know, it's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording now, have a drink here, clean my visor, and continue. Here's my machine. And check this out, baby. GP Bikes, baby. Gran Canaria. Okay, talk to you soon, bye. Hi. So, I had my drinky, which is it's called cocktail. It's a type of Coca-Cola or Pepsi-Cola, but it's actually was made in ex-Yugoslavia in Serbia now. It's very nice. I like it better than Coke. Anyways, leave this place, but I want to show you how beautiful nature is, and they're expanding the thing. But look at this. So there, the green monster there, that's called the Fiat or Fiat 500 or 500. That used to be the people's car. It's really cool. I'll go there so you can see the color. Okay. Nice bikes though. Look at this. Wow. See? That's a legend. So maybe one day I'll buy it as an investment. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get ready. Put some music on. Get to my bike. Alright. That's fine. I get in my gloves. And then we're gonna go. Now, as I said, this is gonna be now nice turns, nice twisties. So I'm gonna enjoy it. I like it. It's like in Canada, in Ontario, when you go to Bell Fountain, but it's about 10 times better because it's longer. I haven't been to Bell Fountain for ages, so I don't know what the situation with the tarmac is. But this is actually pretty new. That's why I like it. And my gloves. Summer gloves. Okay. And now let's get ready. Now these guys are gonna go canyon chasing. Yep. You see here. They already ripping it, so okay. Weather is amazing, exquisite. My gloves. Turn the bike on. I could. Okay, that's one glove. And the other one. Like that. Like this. Okay. So, whoa. Slowly but surely. Shirley, how you doing? Good. Now let's get the no radio, sorry. No, I want this, and I want this to play. No. Okay. Sorry for the interruption, but let's see. So as I said, it's gonna be turns, turns, and turns. And if the music comes on, it's fine. If it doesn't, so be it. I don't care, honestly. So, spark up the machine. And we're going. Here we go. Let's go. No cars there. Perfect. Let's go. All right. Ready, Freddy? Look at the nature. Freaking beautiful. Okie dokie. Let's go. Okie dokie, let's go. Look at this. Not starting. It's just tame. On the other side, it's nice. Let's see. It's really nice. Let's see now. There's a quarry there, and you'll see we'll pass by it. And usually it's pretty dusty. I think now the wind's blowing, so it's not that much. Not that dusty at all. Still, you gotta be careful. Down a bit here. And I'm gonna stop in Shatrunya so I can get the music going on, but so far, yeah, this one issue with the Africa, especially mine, Africa Twin, the communication between the system and the communicator is sometimes really vague or spotty. That kind of pisses me off, honestly. Because I'm expecting it, I paid a lot of money for it, so I'm expecting it to be better. Very nice. Look at the nature. There's Rudnik. This is the Mount Rudnik. And on top you'll see, when we go closer there, you'll see a church. I've never been there. I should go there and see what they're all about. Could be very cute. But that's the sea, so we'll see. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of gravel here. So, there we go. Now, this is old school Serbia. Well, socialist. There's my friend Bikers. Now, you see, now it's going to start. Look at the zigzag now. Now we're going to start zigzagging, baby. You'll see. Look at this. Wow. There's a really sharp turn here. You see at the bottom of the hill. Super sharp. You see. I believe I can do a second gear. Well, let's not chance it. See? Whoa. See? Whoa. Look at this. A long time ago, I was here at a wedding. It's pretty nice. You'll see the hotel on the right hand side from us. Then it was really new. It was being renovated. It was renovated. So it was really nice. Right here, see? To the right. Kraljica Queen. That's the name of the hotel. It's more like a bed and breakfast. But oh, now you're gonna see it. Look at this. Now. Curbs 12-degree descent. Look at this. Haha. Amazing. Okie what do you think? Let's see more of those. Look at this one. This is amazing too. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby. That's the construction all the time here. Something that's typical for this kind of neighborhood. There's lots of construction. People are building cottages and vacation homes from Belgrade and going beyond. It's very nice. Yeah, I mentioned several times Serbia's interior, beautiful. Nature is amazing. Lots to offer, but we have to explore it. So what it is. One of my goals with my channel to kind of expose the beauty of Serbia to foreigners and see if they will come. Not see, but they would come. Once you show them that it's worth it, then I don't think there are any issues now. It's a bit more spirited riding. That's right. Yep. Well, okay. Almost overshot it, but let's see. Nice. Distraction when something's happening. This guy's cutting corners, which is not good, because if somebody comes from the other side, there'll be an accident. Oh yeah. See? See? Can't pass him. I don't want to risk it. Because, see? See? Pass him on that straight away. Yeah, I can't do it. See? If I didn't have him in front of me, I would have done a bit more spirited. I wouldn't go crazy because the turns are pretty sharp, but they're nice. See? This is a nice turn, and then this one here. This one's nice as well. So, see, look at that one. Yeah. I don't want to risk it. By now, you probably realized that all right. Risk with lots of risk. I like to enjoy my rides. So that's why I don't get into trouble. This guy, it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going. I am not in a hurry like these dodos. Idiots, man. Why? I do not think that you need to do that at all. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, buddy. I'll do it straight away. That's fine. That prove anything. And my wiener is bigger than theirs, so I'm okay. Now, this gets slowing down, so we get into that turn. I do not want to risk it, my friends. There's no point. Why this guy's slowing down? In corners again. This is ridiculous, man. Into these villages, so now we can do it here somehow. Now I can enjoy. Look at this whoa. I like here, and this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Whoa. Now, careful for that one. There we go. There we go. Now we go like this. Like this. Cobblestones here. Not cobblestones, but gravel. This is nice. Beautiful. There we go, like that. And this guy cut the corner, but it's okay. We are okay. We are okay this way. Yep. Yep. Driving it nicely. This one as well. And nobody's there, which is great. So I can lean it a bit more. This way. Perfect. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, this is new. Yep. Go this way. Yep. Yep. This is a nice and fast part. Not going to slow down because of the city. There we go, not city, a village. I haven't seen that factory. There's something there in the industrial complex. Slowly we're going to wind out. This is also nice and winding. This way. And this way. So, for these old houses. See? It's empty. Whoop, go. See? It's not cutting. That's it, baby. Nice. There we go. There we go. Oh. I'm going pretty fast. This is that. And I love this small village. Nice. Straight away. This is always the fun part. That's good. This is great. We're gonna go now on that road that we rode before. Once, right. by mistake erased the video. That's why we're gonna make it up now. We're making up for that mistake now. Well, I'm making up for this mistake. So, yep, I wanted to show you one of the favorite stomping grounds of the local biker scene. Bikers in Belgrade. It's not bad. It doesn't have those bridges like the fountain in Ontario, but it's still nice. Still deserves a ride. So whenever you come, I'll be more than welcome to, more than happy, sorry, to give you a tour. You're more than welcome to ask me private questions about it. We're gonna go to Chatonia, which is a village where my mom has some land, small land. Very nice. I'm debating whether to do something there or just leave it as farmland. Because nowadays farmland is becoming more and more pricey here. It's appreciating, so we'll see. Yep. Now, here we go. There we go. This one is cutting the corner just a bit. That's okay. We're going to cut the corner as well. A little bit like this. Okay. There we go. Yeah, when I stop, I'm going to actually put the charger onto the phone so it can be charged. Yep. See how beautiful nature is. Mine is amazing. Everything's amazing. Yep. I think so, and I'm proud that it's Serbia, so we do have many things to offer. See? Wow. And the road surface is amazing. That's what most of us like, this nice turns, and the road surface is good. You have to wait, work on it. But so far, so good. And the nice thing is, I think it's a decent situation and decent state because it's not too much traffic. It's mainly local traffic. And when the guys like me or people that have their cottages here go through, it's not like thousands. So the road surface can cope. Now we're going to stop here in the center of the city and put the charger on for the phone and try to activate the music. Not try, but activate the music. Because I said to you, one of the things that annoys me about this bike is that the entertainment system is kind of boggy. Yep. So we're going to stop here for a second. The bus station is. So this is Donja Chatonia, where my mom has some land. And one day we're going to come to visit it. But for now, hey, we're just passing by. For the moment, see, look at the nature. Look at these old buildings, huh? Okay, let's see. And my chargers are here. There we go. This is my charger. Is there a garbage can somewhere here? Let's see. Yep, there is. Beautiful. So I can use this to get rid of my garbage. That, okay. Now we're talking. Honestly, it's worth it. Saving the environment and saving nature. Because we only have one Earth, and if we screw it up, then we screw it up, huh? It's not good. There we go, beautiful. that's that. Get ready. This, beautiful. Bike connected. Okie dokie. And, oops. Turn it on. Okay, wait for the GPS to start working. Sorry. Play the music. Play the music. Yes. Beautiful. Now slowly. Good. Okay. Everybody is driving it very spiritedly. Oh, we said we're going to stop recording. Okay. Once I climb out, I'm sorry, this village, on top of that hill there, I'm going to stop. Save some camera time for the twisties up there on the road. See? Just want to show the nature. Okay. So I'll stop at the end of the top of the hill. So I will say some battery life as well as some recording time. So you gotta be careful here. Well, that's why you're supposed to look ahead. Honestly. Not that, yeah. See the bikers. Nice. I'm happy to be a member of this club. Going to shot doing it. This is the end of that village where my mum has land. Stop somewhere on the side. Stop on the side. There. And the shade, if there's such a thing. That's shade. Yeah, where the bus station is. Perfect. There we go. Bus station. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Stop here for a second. There we go. Put it neutral. Ciao. Done.